Welcome to Yes, I Can Do It. Transform your financial future. Financial independence starts here.
How beginners can make money in stocks with low-price shares. Step-by-step guide with real examples. Are you new to the stock market? Learn how to invest in low-price stocks and build wealth step-by-step. Stay tuned for real $10,000 investment examples. Low-price stocks are shares under $30. They offer high growth potential and affordable entry for beginners. But research is key to minimize risks. Start by choosing a trusted platform, Robinhood, eToro, or Fidelity. Set up your account to access low-price stocks. Alright, let's move on to step 2, researching stocks. Focus on companies with growing revenue, trends like clean energy or tech, and strong fundamentals, such as low debt and high growth. Now let's talk about step 3, diversifying your portfolio. Spread your $10,000 investment across 5 to 7 stocks. For example, you could invest $2,000 in each company to reduce risk. Here's an example stock to consider for your portfolio. Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG, is a company that's been making waves in the renewable energy sector. The current price is $24 per share. So, why should you consider investing in Plug Power? They're a leader in hydrogen fuel cell technology, which is becoming increasingly important as the world shifts towards cleaner energy solutions. With an investment of $10,000, you can buy around 416 shares at the current price. If the price hits $40, your investment could grow to $16,640, offering a substantial return on your initial investment. Current price, $22 Ford stock has been showing some interesting movements lately. Why invest? Well, Ford has a strong focus on electric vehicles, which is a rapidly growing market. Their commitment to innovation and sustainability is impressive. Investing $10,000 buys approximately 454 shares at the current price. This could be a strategic move for long-term investors. If the price hits $30, your investment grows to $13,620. That's a significant return, showcasing the potential profitability of investing in Ford. Current price, $26 per share. Why invest in Palantir? Palantir is a leading innovator in the field of data analytics, providing cutting-edge solutions to complex problems. Investing $10,000 at the current price buys you approximately 385 shares of Palantir stock. If the stock price hits $50, your initial investment would grow significantly to $19,250, showcasing a substantial return on investment. Start small and invest what you can afford to lose. Focus on long-term growth. Use stock screeners to find undervalued gems. Ready to start your stock market journey? Comment your favorite stock below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips.